Hello and I welcome you back to Nilachal Polytechnic video lecture classes. I am your faculty Dipankar Ghosh. In my previous videos already we discussed about the transmission system and we will already discuss about clutch and its construction. As per the definition what I will discuss, clutch is a device which is used in the transmission system of automobile to engage and disengage the engine to the transmission or gearbox. Okay, so already we will complete the single plate clutch. So let us today discuss about the next article, which is named as your multi-plate clutch. As per the clutch is concerned, as per the frictional point of view, clutches are of two types. Number one, single plate clutch and multi-plate clutch. And there are another clutch which is we are using. This is also named as cone clutch. So all these three goes under your frictional clutch. Again, as per the multi-plate clutch is concerned, again this multi-plate clutch is also subdivided into two types. One is dry clutch and another one is your wet clutch. Okay. So multi-plate clutch consists of a number of clutch plates instead of only one clutch plate, as in the case of single plate clutch. So in the previous videos already we will discuss about the single plate clutch. So at that video, the single plate clutch is consist of a single plate. But in the case of multi-plate clutch, as per the construction what we see, so here you are having a flywheel, and in this flywheel you are having more than one plates. But in the single plate clutch we are having only single plate, but here we are using a 1, 2 and 3 numbers of clutch plates, that is more than one, and we are using a pressure plate here. So these are alternately fitted. So as per the construction, the single plate clutch consists of number of clutch plates, and the increased number of friction surface obviously increase the capacity of the clutch to transmit the torque. These plates are alternately fitted to the engine and gearbox shaft. They are firmly pressed by a strong coil spring as shown in this figure. So you can see you are using a coil spring so that to put pressure so that these clutch plates are engaged with the flywheel. Each of these alternate plates slides on the grooves on the flywheel, and the other slides on the splines on the pressure plate. Thus, each alternate plate has inner and outer splines over it. The multi-plate clutch works in the same way as a single plate clutch. Only difference is that as per the construction, the single plate and the multi-plate, as per the construction both are same, but in single plate we are using a one plate clutch plate, and in the multi-plate we are using a more than one plate. Okay. So now let us discuss about the working of this. When the driver depresses this pedal, now you see when we are having a clutch pedal inside the driver's cabin. So when the driver depresses this pedal, so this pressure plate will move against the force of the spring. So what's happened? Due to that movement, the flywheel is not engaged with this. So now the power is not transmitted from this engine shaft to the clutch shaft. The multi-plate clutch works in the same way as a single plate clutch by operating the clutch pedal. The multi-plate clutches are used in heavy commercial vehicles, just like racing car and motorcycle, for transmitting high torque. The multi-plate clutch may be dry or wet. When the clutch is operated an oil bath, it is called a wet clutch. When the clutch is operated in dry condition, that is known as your dry clutch. The wet clutch is used in the conjunction with a part of automatic transmission. So in automatic transmission we are using a multi-plate wet clutches. That means these plates are moving inside the liquid. That means clutch fluid. So when the driver depresses this pedal, the pressure plate will move against this force of the spring. So due to that, these plates are disengaged with the flywheel. So we are providing a gap. So due to that, the engine power is not transmitted to the clutch shaft. And reversely, when this driver release this clutch pedal, what happened? Due to the force of the spring, the pressure plate will move to engage the flywheel along with the plates. So due to that, the engine shaft is get rotated, and by simultaneously rotation of this clutch shaft. Now you can see, now the power or the torque is transmitted from the engine shaft to the clutch shaft. That means when the clutch pedal is engaged, then the power will be not transmitted from the engine shaft to the clutch shaft, but when the pedal is released, the engine power is transmitted to the clutch shaft. Thank you.